Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we are talking today about like Amazon Music, sharing a playlist and all of this. So sometimes one song isn't enough to share, you want to share a whole vibe, maybe you have crafted the perfect road trip playlist or just discovered an amazing curated mix and you want your friends to experience the whole thing. Well, sharing a playlist in Amazon Music is just as easy as sharing a single song. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to share any playlist, whether it's one you created or one you follow, so others can enjoy the full collection. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. We're gonna start and talk basically about the mobile app first, talking here about the iPhone 1 and the Android, or basically the Android version as well. So I bet that you already have the Amazon Music app, so just go ahead, open it, make sure you are logged in into your correct account, go to the playlist you want to share, it can be one you created or one you follow. So for example, this is a mix. Look for the share icon, it's usually near the top of the playlist screen next to the download button or in the three-dot menu. It looks like a box with an arrow pointing up. So tap the share icon. A sharing sheet will appear with options. Either you can copy the link, copy the playlist link to your clipboard, messages or text, send via text, WhatsApp, Facebook, IG or even Twitter, each shared for social media. Then you can even pick the email to send the link via email. Choose whatever you want, choose basically the method, select a contact, then send. As for an alternative method, open the playlist, then tap the three dots next to the playlist name and select share from the menu. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.